Cooking with Tovia. I'm going to show you guys how to make a super healthy orange chicken that is fast and easy to prepare and comforting at the same time. You'll be able to find all the ingredients you'll need for today's recipe in the description box under the video. So the first thing we're going to do is marinate our chicken. So I have here some baking soda. And what the baking soda does, it breaks down the chicken so it will absorb all the flavors that we're adding to this. And if you don't want to use chicken thighs, you can certainly use chicken breasts. I'm adding some fish sauce. If you don't like the flavor of fish sauce, you can leave it out. The fish sauce gives a little bit of salt. And I'm going to add some low sodium soy sauce. Just that easy. We're going to toss all this together. And we're just going to let this sit at room temp for about 15 minutes. After thoroughly combining everything together. So I'm heating my wok here on high heat, and I'm using coconut oil. You can use sesame oil if you desire, but I'm using coconut oil. I'm going to melt my coconut oil down. We're going to be working on high heat the entire time. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my chicken to my hot wok here, and we're only going to stir fry this in small batches. If you put too many pieces of chicken in this pan, what's going to happen is it's not going to stir fry, and it's going to release a lot of water, and you're going to have chicken that's going to be sort of steamed. So just a little bit at a time. So I'm just going to stir fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes. The chicken is going to cook quickly because we're working on high heat, and the chicken is sliced very thinly. Okay, our chicken is done. I'm going to remove it from the wok here, put this in a bowl and set it to one side, and continue to cook all your chicken. If you need more oil, just add, a couple tablespoons of oil as needed. Alright, so I got my chicken out of the pan and added like another teaspoon or so of coconut oil. And I'm adding some red onions to this. If you don't want to use red onion, you can use white onions. I'm going to just stir fry this just for a minute. We're on high heat here. So I have my water, and to that I'm going to add my cornstarch. Let's whisk that in together. I'm going to add the orange juice. This is from a real orange, freshly squeezed. I have here some soy sauce and some oyster sauce. And then finally some brown sugar. Give that a quick mix together. Then I'm going to add a little bit of vinegar. Mix that together, and we're going to set this aside until we need it. Stir frying my onions and peppers. I have here some broccoli. You can use, whatever type of size broccoli you desire. Just try to have them cut the same size. And then after you add all your broccoli, we're just going to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. The broccoli is going to become deeper green in color. And it's a good indication that it's, at the right, my desired doneness. So my broccoli is now a deeper green color. It's been about 3 minutes, and I've just been stirring this constantly, working on high heat the entire time. Going to give that a stir together. I just added the garlic. And then what I'm going to do is just add our orange sauce that we made here. Just whisk it together. I'm going to add it to the pan, our wok here, and I'm going to bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil and thickens, we're going to add the finishing touches. So this has come to a boil, and it's beginning to thicken up a bit. Just going to give everything one final stir. And I'm going to return the chicken to it. Give everything a toss together, and then I'm going to let this cook for about another minute or two, just to allow the chicken to heat completely through, and the sauce will thicken up a little bit more. So here's our beautiful orange chicken. I garnished it with some orange slices and some green onion. I served this with some regular white rice. You can use jasmine rice or basmati, or you can use gluten-free rice pasta if you want, or you can just have it by itself without any grains whatsoever. So look at that, so beautiful. It smells so good. Just mix some of that together. So we got the chicken. So I'm gonna taste some of that. My goodness. The chicken is so delicious. You can taste all the oranges and the flavors from the oyster sauce and the fish sauce. And I mean, it's delicious. It's not too sweet, not too tangy, perfect. And our broccoli held up nicely. I hope you guys try this recipe and enjoy it. Please add this video to your playlist. And please take the time to share my video. It really helped me tremendously. And please give me a thumbs up because that helps me tremendously as well. And if you have any recipe requests, please let me know. Please continue to watch the community tab on my channel because I will have some more recipe votes. Live and be well. Let's do what we can to come together to love one another. Thanks for watching.